And you're bobsledding. I mean, that's such a powerful metaphor for what people are going through. Because, you know, when I watch the footage of you guys, it's so fast. I mean, to me, it's terrifying to watch. It's so fast and it's moving and you got to keep up with it. Otherwise, remember one time the sled tipped over?
Yeah.
But you guys, you know what? You got up and you carried that sled across the finish line. My gosh, that's a Jamaican inspiration right there.
Thank you. Well, you're absolutely right. I mean, the speed is terrifying for me personally. Well, it's terrifying. It's more terrifying for me to watch it than to be in the middle of it. Because when I'm on a sled driving, I feel I have
now, which position were you in on the sled?
On that 4-man sled, I was a number 2 guy. That was back in 88. But then I became a driver and I drove in 92 and 98. And that's just so...
That must have been... I mean, I'm terrified of roller coasters. I can't even imagine